XSEED English Grade 5 Block number 12 Persuasive Writing Lesson Plan 2 Organizing Evidence. Students will be able to organize supporting evidence for an argument. Today we will organize the evidence that we found for both the arguments. What evidence we have found for the two arguments? What type of evidence was each? Electronic gadgets are good for us because they help us talk to people all around the world, find information easily and help us learn new things. Electronic gadgets are bad for us because people get addicted to them, people depend on them too much, and they can also cause health problems of the mind and body. The types of evidence were quotes by expert, research, and scientific studies, and examples from experience. For example, the quote by Kelly Walsh was a quote by an expert. We should choose the argument that we strongly believe in. We should not choose an argument because it has more supporting evidence. Instead, we should choose an argument that we think has the stronger supporting evidence. We can write evidence that goes against the other argument or counter argument. For example, if we say that electronic gadgets are not good for us because we may not pay attention to our family and friends, a counter argument is that gadgets help us talk to people who are far away. To make our own argument stronger, we can say that people communicated using letters for over 2000 years. Author Simon Garfield says that writing letter forces us to communicate better. Students, take out your S2 Organizing Evidence to page number 21. First question, tick the main argument that you have chosen. What you strongly believe in, tick that part. Choose the argument that you strongly believe in. Electronic gadgets are good for us, or electronic gadgets are not good for us. I believe in electronic gadgets are good for us. Second question. Fill in the table with evidence to support your argument. Be sure to include different types of evidence. Examples from experience. Evidence. Yesterday, I had to find evidence to write an essay for school. I used the computer and found a lot of articles and information online. Research or scientific studies. More than 16 crore Indians use the internet. More than 92 crore Indians use mobile phones. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has researched this. Quotes from experts. Today, society depends on gadgets to make our lives better and easier. Author Sara Aslam. Statement of facts. Student needs to research topics for school and good information is found online. Thanks all of you for your lot of love. Thank you for sending me feedbacks and messages.